Huh. What do you think? Looks like rain to me. Maybe let's go to Father Rooster and what's an ocean? Ocean looks good. So what we will do is we will go back to Ocotal, take a look on Father Rooster today. Okay? Okay, come with me. What I do, I'm not driving, I'm walking. Never have been there. If you are planning to stay there, let me know, I can check out for you. It's just less than a kilometer from the beach. Rainy season, nothing to worry about. Rainy season, and we got rain for, let me see, I think that was over 1 minute now. Because last time I got rain was 45 seconds, something like this. Now it was 1 minute and a little bit over 1 minute. So very nice. Rainy season. Yes, of course you can see a little just outside the restaurant. Some little body is right there. I think they are not dangerous. They just look a little bit like a big pet. Kind of like, hello buddy. Don't want to do any harm to you. Wow, that was a good coffee. I got a coffee, 2,500 colones, which is $5. I think this is the one of the most expensive coffees recently I was drinking, but tastes pretty good. It tastes good. I like it. But anyway, $5 for the coffee. That's what you have to consider when you are coming to the beach restaurants like Father Rooster. The prices here will gonna be pretty high, okay? And well, if you don't like it, don't buy it. Very simple like that. You have to wash the hands before you come into restaurant. I'm not sure how much the properties cost here in Ocotal Beach area up there in the hills, or there where the beachfront condos are. Maybe you can find out on the internet as well, but again, please do your reality check before engaging. Because as I used to say, on the internet everything looks absolutely different than in real life. You see, beach, and not sunny now. It's not sunny. Father Rooster, as you can see, Father Rooster is just behind me. Oof. I got very good coffee there. Very good coffee. Unbelievable. I paid $5, 2,500 colones for coffee. I got green gold. Just, oh my gosh. So it's so nice, so beautiful. But if you want some food or you need some groceries, you need to go to Playas del Coco. That's where I am living. This one is the perfect place for families. I'm gonna take my belongings and walk a little bit. Swing chairs I was sitting on. I will walk around the Father Rooster to take a look on some housing up there, just to get an idea how it looks. So when you're walking from Father Rooster, you can see those, I know this I saw on the internet, that one up there, those buildings there, those are pretty fancy. They have really fancy swimming pool in between there. Those are kind of like luxury condos or something. Crane, luxury real estate, Costa Rica. So if I go that way, this is going up to Playas del Coco. That's where I'm gonna go. And this way I have no idea. Let me walk, take a look what's there. Beach is over there. I just came from there, from the beach, and we'll see what's going on here. Yeah, I can see Nice quiet place to live with the balconies. And here is Vista Okotao. Yeah, I guess that's what it is. Just some, have to check out on internet what are the prices here on those properties. Coconut palm trees. Yeah, some cars coming down there that way. Need to get out of the road. The new buildings, I guess, it's coming up there as well. It's nice. It's gated community, so it's pretty safe. The Cove, another entrance here. I guess maybe there is some more of them up there, but you got some impression about what it is and how quiet it is. Let me walk back. Amazing. There is nice restaurant there. Look, there are houses up there, apartments up there. Beach is not big, a small beach. Water clean, everything is clean around here. The most thing is here about the sunset. Look, the sunset. Oh, that's the one. Oh my god. Look at the sunset there. How majestic is this? Oh, nice, amazing, beautiful. Nice, and weather is amazing. Amazing. Let me go back to my restaurant. I ordered pina colada. So, and this is late evening in Father Rooster. Now, this is what I like to do. I come home and after Rooster, I take my cold beer. You see, it's cold beer. I'm not paying $5 there. And I go outside on my balcony here and I can't see much because it's dark, right? It's my barbecue, my hammock, and my balcony. Okay, here it's there. Okay, so and I'm just sitting here and enjoying my evening. Uh, it's not even so bad to drink a beer or coffee at home. Okay, but Father Rooster is a pretty good place. Uh, just if you want to sit by the ocean and enjoy the the Pacific breeze and stuff like this. Okay. Anyway, cheers and make sure you subscribe. Okay, and check those two videos here. Bye bye.